welcome back to Creative Puppy. Today we'll be doing glass painting. Here's a glass painting that we'll be doing today. So now let's get started. For this you'll be needing glass paint. I'm going to be using this brand, and with the kit it also comes with some glass liner. You'll also be needing some tape. Next you'll be needing a printout for the outline for your glass painting. Lastly, you'll be needing a plastic sheet to do your glass painting on. So now let's get started with the preparation. You'll not be needing your glass painting right away in the beginning, so you can put them to the side. Next, you want to take some tape and tape together the printout line and the plastic sheet. Remember, the printout goes on the back and the plastic sheet goes on the front. Now that you have taped the printout line and the plastic sheet together, you want to start tracing the lines. Remember to wait up to 1 to 2 hours after you finish outlining. Now I have waited for 1 to 2 hours, and now I'm going to start coloring. For the flowers, I'm doing pink and blue and also some maybe purple. So now let's start coloring. If you see bubbles like this one right here, remember to always pop it once it comes so you don't have any bubbles on your final picture. After you paint, you can wait 1 to 2 hours for it to dry, and then you can take off the tape. After you paint, you can wait 1 to 2 hours for it to dry, and then you can take off the tape.